Hey everyone, it's Leticia, and today I wanted to share the tool of the week, which is Hootsuite, which I personally love. It is a free tool that you can use to schedule social media posts for your clients or for yourself. So today I just wanted to walk you through on how to use it and make the most of it. So I'm going to add a new social media network to it just so I can show you how. We're going to connect to my personal Facebook group that I have started that I would love to be more consistent on as well. So let's find this one. And then we're going to hit done. So make sure that you're logged into the Facebook or whatever social media account, because then it will make it faster. As you can see, I have this client in here. And so when you log in, you can click on what account you want to look at. And you can see here the posts that I've scheduled. So this is the timeline, messages that I've received. Here are my posts, and you can see people have left comments and how long ago they left a comment, and I can personally go in and write a comment. So that is pretty nifty. So I want to show you, since this one is already set up, I want to show you the publishing calendar. So right here where the little calendar icon is, you can see what the posts look like and what you've scheduled. So for I Love Road Cycling, they already have posts scheduled, so it's taking a little bit to load. And as you can see, I have posts scheduled through Friday, and I have it at 1 a.m., 10 a.m., 4 p.m., and 8 p.m. So it's really cool just to see an overview of it. And now we're going to go back to the pencil and we're going to create a post. And as you can see up here, it will show you the recently used one. Up here it says for you to select a social media account. So I am going to pick my Facebook group, and I have images that I want to share. So I am going to the media section and I am going to add my graphic. So let me unzip my file real fast. Actually, we're going to share this one. I'm sorry for the kid next door. And then up here in the text, I'm just going to put, thank you everyone who has supported my YouTube channel. It means the world to me. And don't forget to subscribe. And I do have a bit.ly link for it, so I'm going to copy that. Hootsuite does have a URL shortener where it says right here, shorten with hourly, and I am going to schedule it for later. It also gives you the option to schedule now. So I'm going to schedule it to go out tomorrow at 1:25, and I'm going to click done. Then I'm going to hit schedule. And then I'm going to click on my Leticia's Corner, and then we should see that it's scheduled for tomorrow at 1:25 p.m. And that's all I have for you today. A really quick, short, and sweet to the video, to the point video. I can't talk. And I hope that you're having a great day, and I'll catch you next week.